Today I just wanted to make a quick video on KLIP and how to hedge KLIP. It has a 50% dividend, but it's risky since it owns Chinese internet stocks. So let's figure out a way to hedge KLIP. Well, as you know, I already have a hedge, and I'll tell you in 1 second. First of all, we upped our income to 119,000 from 118 because I bought some TLTW. A lot of subscribers have this holding. I went ahead and added it. It has 50% maintenance. That's why I was reluctant to add it the first time. But as my income grows, as my daily gains grow, then my available withdrawal grows. Not just my market value, but my available withdrawal. So then I can afford to take out more margin as I have more cushion from the latest capital gains in the portfolio. Excuse me. So that's how I upped my income to 119. I bought some TLTW, 5,000 TLTW. And also, guys, we are outperforming the market. We're up 17%. The Dow's up 1, S&P's up 8, and the Nasdaq's up 18%. So we're outperforming the market using this income strategy combined with a little bit of margin. As you know, it's one of my favorite things to use, and that's why I started this channel. Excuse me. So yes, we're up for the day, but we always look at percentages. 0.81. Are we in line with the rest of the indexes? And if we look up top, we can see that the indexes are, I'm sure, up today as my screen is loading. I'm sure we'll find that the indexes are up. Yes, Nasdaq 0.73, the Dow's down 0.3, and the S&P's up 0.32, as you can see up top. So we're up 0.82. We're outperforming the market. Yeah, see, even as we go up another 1,000 right there, almost, you can see how my available withdrawal goes up as well. I apologize for my screen loading here. So we added the TLTW, but look at KLIP. It's down 1.7%. So it's clearly an underperformer today in the portfolio. So the way to hedge KLIP is, in my opinion, the best way is through YANG. See, YANG is up 4.5% today, 4.8. I'm only up $25 in it because I only have $500 in it. But I'm not trying to play daily performance games with YANG and KLIP. I'm only keeping YANG for ultimate disaster insurance. If KLIP were to tank because, China shut down their economy or something like that, then YANG could really appreciate in price and potentially double my position, which would make me about $500 on $500, so a double of $500. But also the dividend for KLIP is paying us while we wait for shares to resume their uptrend. The 50% dividend covers 50% of the downside. So you don't want to have too much insurance on because the dividend's going to cover that. Even if the dividend gets cut multiple times, still a large enough dividend to cash flow your position over a short amount of time. So you don't want to have too much insurance on. That's why I only have 500. This is just for catastrophe, disaster insurance. My YANG short here. So that's how I'm hedging out KLIP. If you're ever interested in playing KLIP, I know a lot of people have money in these yield max funds like OARC and Appley. Excuse me, but with KLIP, it's Kraneshares. It's a different fund, but they still have a similar nature where they sell covered calls and they pay out high dividends, about 50% dividends on a monthly basis. So if you want to play KLIP, check out YANG as a short. Also be aware that YANG could really get hurt going in the other direction as Chinese shares skyrocket if people see them as an undervalued situation and the economy is growing strong. The shares could surge. And that could really hurt you not really hurt you. I can only lose 500 on the short side, but that will decrease performance. So anyway, just be aware of that. At the end of the day, as long as we're not on a margin call and that stays comfortably above zero, we can live out of our account, excuse me, travel the world, pay our bills, do whatever we want. And this margin debt of $250,000 that you see here on the bottom right will get paid down within about 3 years because our income of $119,000, which I showed you at the beginning of the video, will pay back this debt in about 3 years because 100,000 times 3 years is 300,000. So That's the aim of this channel. That's the big goal, to be financially free. Also, the dividends provide qualifying income to the banks so you can live financially free. You don't have to have a job or a pay stub to get the house loan or the car loan. So anyway, if you need help with margin or with Cornerstone, email me for those e-guides at aikentodd48@gmail.com. And if you have any other questions on today's video, leave comments in the section below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.